Top news as of December 26, 2025. Here's a comprehensive summary of the top global news across world, economy, finance, and technology. World news, global geopolitics and major events. Ukraine peace talks and ongoing conflict. Ukrainian and U.S. negotiators say they discuss ways to bring peace closer amid protracted war with Russia. This reflects ongoing high-level diplomatic engagement, even as fighting continues on the ground. Separately, Ukraine launched British-made Storm Shadow missiles and drones targeting Russian oil and gas facilities, signaling intensified military operations alongside diplomacy. Regional security tensions. Poland intercepted a Russian aircraft near the Baltic and reported multiple objects entering from Belarus airspace, a sign of heightened military vigilance in Eastern Europe. Prominent political return in Bangladesh. After 17 years in exile, Bangladesh's BNP leader Tariq Rahman returned to Dhaka, raising prospects of a potential political comeback and shifts in South Asian politics. Major religious and global messages. King Charles III delivered his Christmas message emphasizing unity, kindness, and peace amid global conflicts and domestic challenges. The newly installed Pope Leo XIV gave his first Christmas Day address, passionately calling for peace in Gaza, Ukraine, Sudan, and beyond, urging leaders toward dialogue and global solidarity. Broader international headlines. Reports indicate Russian drone strikes continued into Christmas morning, with deadly consequences in Ukraine. Turkey arrested dozens of suspected IS militants planning holiday attacks, highlighting ongoing counterterrorism efforts. Algeria moved to officially condemn French colonization as a crime, demanding restitution, a landmark political and historical development.
Economy and finance, markets, macroeconomics, crypto. Global markets and stocks. U.S. markets have shown resilience with broad gains in equities and technology stocks continuing to lead the rally. Crypto markets in flux. Bitcoin has fallen into a fear trading zone around $87,000 amid ETF outflows, while gold keeps rising, a trend often seen as investors seek safer assets. Crypto exchange market share shifts dramatically, with Upbit losing dominance. Analysts highlight the growing role of AI agent payments and stablecoins in digital finance. Interest rates, bonds and macro news. China left its key benchmark lending rates unchanged for the seventh straight month, signaling stability but also caution in monetary policy. Global economic indicators, like strong U.S. GDP growth and robust consumer spending, continue to shape investor expectations. Currency and local financial developments. In South Korea, the $1 exchange rate climbed into the 1400 range, prompting financial authorities to curb overseas stock marketing amid foreign investment inflows.
Technology and innovation, key trends and moves. Major tech industry deals. NVIDIA struck a major strategic deal with AI chip startup Grok, acquiring technology licenses, senior executives, and expanding AI inference capabilities, a big move in the global AI hardware race. Global tech product trends. Foreign-branded smartphone shipments in China more than doubled year-on-year in November, underlining continued consumer appetite and supply dynamics in the world's largest mobile market. CES 2026 Preview. At CES 2026, January 2026, Thunderobot will unveil the Zero Air ultralight gaming laptop, an early sign of the next wave of high-performance consumer hardware innovation. Regulatory and competitive tech sector moves. Italy's antitrust watchdog ordered Meta to suspend WhatsApp terms that could disadvantage rival AI chatbots, an important outcome in ongoing tech regulation debates. Broader Reuters tech updates show continued legal, market, and regulatory developments in Silicon Valley and beyond.
Summary. Ongoing Ukraine conflict with simultaneous diplomatic efforts. Growing geopolitical and military tensions in Europe. Major religious peace appeals and global unity messages. Financial markets remain dynamic with risk assets and safe havens shifting. Tech industry deals and regulatory actions shape AI and communications sectors.